Hello guys, I am back for another unboxing video of another expensive Apple product I probably don't need. We are now in college. This is the dorm. Solomon, as you can see, is playing Cold War Zombies. Noah's recording. We're gonna make this quick because we have to leave for a retreat for our fraternity in like an hour. So we don't even have much time to use this. We're gonna unbox it and then maybe turn it on. But this is the 9th generation model. Ow. That hurt. I just cut myself. This is the 9th generation model of the standard iPad. It came out today. They announced it last week in the not WWDC, just whatever the Apple presentation was where they announced the iPhone 13. That also came out today. This is just the cheapest one that they had. We mainly got it so we could practice drawing and stuff, but also just to have a tablet as a nice in-between for our laptops and our phones. I don't like sitting in my very high bed with a laptop. Show them that real quick. It's very high up in the air. There's that MacBook I unboxed a few months ago. But anyways, take this off. This is probably not going to take long. There's the iPad itself that we have no case for, so it's going to get fingerprints all over it. Here it is. Oh, beautiful. Oh my god. I ripped it. Whatever. Just take that off. And get my grubby little hands all over the screen. Here's the iPad itself. I like that. So this is the silver one, 64 gigs. And I like that the front for both the silver and the space gray are black now. I think that looks much nicer. I'm going to set this right here, I guess.
I was going to say, like, flip the, like, do this.
Yeah, that's probably a much better idea. All right, so put that there. Oh, we also got an Apple Pencil. Here's the box of paper that you will never read, but I'm gonna open it and like flip through it in 1 second anyway. Ta-da! There we go, iPad. Other stuff. Oh, please tell me they're stickers. Yes, they're stickers. All right, got stickers and nothing else. It always feels like there's other stuff in there, and there never is. So put that there. Here is a USB-C charger. The iPad itself still uses Thunderbolt, or Lightning, I mean, but the end is USB-C now. This is a fast charger, I believe. And here is the charger cable, very similar to the one that's in the iPhone 12 and I'm assuming the 13. Obviously the part that goes into the device is Lightning, but the other end is USB-C. So that's cool. Put that there. Oh, forgot to rip the little thing. I don't know, film, I don't know what that is. Put that there, and that's the entire iPad, so put that to the side. And now the Apple Pencil. Where's the knife? What did I do with it?
It's right here, no, I just put it in.
Okay. Not gonna cut myself trying to open this one, hopefully. This iPad still uses the 1st generation Apple Pencil, which is not as good, obviously, as the 2nd one. My main gripe with it is that you take that little part off right there where like an eraser would be on a real pencil. You screw that off and it plugs into the bottom of the iPad. It looks ridiculous, but it works. This iPad was $310. We bought it through the education store because we're in college. Normally it's $330, so regardless. A little bit cheaper. The Apple Pencil, we bought it at our campus's store, so I don't know if they gave us a deal. I think they might have charged us the full $100. I ripped that the wrong way. Whatever. Here's the Apple Pencil.
It's in the plastic.
Okay, the bottom part just kind of stayed in there. I don't know if that's supposed to happen or not.
Probably not, since you opened it the wrong way.
Yeah, because I don't know how to even get this
Just
open.
cut it with the knife.
No, I used raw manpower. There it is. There's the bottom of the Apple Pencil. So we do not have enough time to like actually use this and review it right now, so we'll get back to that in like a day when we're back here. So cut video. Bah. So it has been 1 week since we got the iPad. Today is October 1st on a Friday, and I don't feel like doing an actual review because it's just an iPad. Like, there's nothing special about it. It's nice. $330 for an iPad, pretty good. But that's it. Like, I don't know what I would talk about. It's an iPad. Like, you know what an iPad does. It's been cool for drawing. Noah's there on the bed. So yeah, that's literally all I have to say. So bye, I guess. I don't know.